Selena divides 16 pounds of beans among 5 bags. How many pounds of beans does Selena put in each bag? To solve this problem, we have to divide 16 by 5. Before solving this, let's look at a similar problem, so we can visualize the problem and the answer. Let's say we have 16 plastic sticks. We want to put them into 5 equal groups. By dividing them evenly, we put 1 stick in each group for the first cycle, then repeat this in the second cycle, then repeat this in the third cycle. So each group has 3 whole sticks in it, but we have 1 stick left over. In math, instead of saying the phrase leftover, we use the word remainder. So we would say that 16 divided by 5 gives 3 with a remainder of 1. That means each group has 3 sticks, but there is 1 whole stick that wasn't divided. We can cut this stick into 5 equal parts. Then each one of those parts represents 1/5 of a stick. Now each group has 3 whole sticks and 1/5 of a stick. A whole number next to a fraction is called a mixed fraction. This is the answer in a fraction format to the problem, what is 16 divided by 5? Likewise, if instead of using sticks we use pounds of beans, we would get the same answer, which is 3 1/5 pounds. So answer B is correct. Now we'll solve this problem using division. We'll start by writing the long division symbol. The number being divided goes inside the symbol and is called the dividend. The number that does the dividing goes outside the symbol and is called the divisor. The answer is called the quotient and will go above the division symbol. This expression says that we're dividing 16 by 5. Can 5 go into 1? No, 5 is bigger than 1, so 5 can't go into 1. That means we need to include the second digit. Can 5 go into 16? Yes, 5 is smaller than 16, so 5 can go into 16. We need to find how many times 5 can go into 16. One way to find how many times 5 can go into 16 is to write out part of the multiplication table for the number 5. The red numbers are all the multiplication products. The purple numbers are possible answers we could choose. We point the red arrow at the place in the list where 16 would be. Then we choose the row that has a red number that's equal to, or slightly less, than the number in our arrow. This red 15 is the closest, so we pick this row. The purple number in this row is 3. We write the number 3 in the answer space above the 16, since we divided 16 by 5. Next, we multiply this new digit in our answer, which is 3, with the divisor, which is 5. We have 15, so we write 15 here. Please note that we need to line up the ones place in our new product with the new digit in the answer. Next, we subtract 15 from 16, and that gives us 1. The number 1 is the remainder. Normally we would stop here, but the question options express the remainder as a fraction. To write an answer as a fraction, we first write the whole number, which is the purple number 3. Then we write the red number 1. But instead of writing the letter R, we write a horizontal bar, and we also write the divisor in the denominator. Both of these expressions are answers to the problem. What is 16 divided by 5? If the answer choices show a small letter R, then we'll choose this option. If the answer choices show a fraction, then we'll choose this answer. For this problem, the answer choices are shown as a fraction, so we choose the fraction format. Please pause the video if you wish to read more. Thanks for your attention.